What's up YouTube, my name is David and welcome back to KDT. So today we are back with Kdenlive video editing. So today I'm just going to show you how to remove a sound from a video, a sound that is already in a video. So if you want to remove a sound that is already in a video, so I'm just going to show you how to remove it. So let's say let me just show you with this video of mine here. So you click on this button here to insert your video to a project bin. So let's just wait a minute to open. Then let me select the video I want to remove a sound. Then after selecting a video, drag a video here to a track timeline. So I have dragged my video here to a track timeline. As you can see, it has a video, it has a sound. I mean, they move together. So the sound and the video, they move together. So to remove a sound of this video, you just have to right click. Then after right click, you go on ungroup clips, then click on that. Then as you can see now, the video moves alone, then also as the sound moves alone. So to delete the sound, you just have to click delete on your keyboard. Then if you can't do that, you just have to right click, then select delete select item here, select that one, then delete the audio. So now you're left with the video only. So that's how you delete the audio from the video. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be dropping another videos for Kdenlive video editing. Thank you.